This is nothing personal against Andrew Holness. This is a thing named safeguard with life. Andrew Holness, the mada, Batman. We don't like you. You can't go and use your money, Batman, and go and believe that Bill Gates can give you money for come buy out the people. Them. And not everybody in Jamaica have sweet tooth. So only Jamaicans can go and take buyout. Big up Babs the Great, big up Andrew Holness. No, not Andrew Holness. So people.
Ah boy. People, remember me telling you this on this 3rd day of September. Say soon and very soon, the Jamaica police so put something in place where if anybody disrespect the leader of the country, they will be found and arrested. Remember me telling you, soon and very soon. And you know someone are going to say, unstoppable that can't because there is freedom of speech and there is this and there is that. But just remember, when me say, I told you all this today, that soon and very soon, that soon come in place. Because you don't notice, more and more people coming out and disrespecting the Prime Minister in a horrible way, right? Them na share and state them views, you see, stating your views is totally different than being extremely disrespectful and calling the Prime Minister outside him name and stuff like that. You understand? That because, alright, when you think about what was said in that short clip a while ago, now, mind you, I'm sure he said more in whatever video he did, right? But based on what you heard just now, if you're going to address the leader of a country, address the leader of the country with, valid points, not with derogatory comments, you understand, or derogatory words. Address the leader and say what you have to say, and maybe when the leader hear it, he may say, alright, then this person has some valid points that he is making. Now, you address the Prime Minister and you start off with such a Andrew Holness. Go your mama. Right? The minute that reached the video, that reached the Prime Minister, him not even got interested for hear what you have to say, because him go click it off. Not even if that's if it reach him as a matter of fact. Because anybody who is around the Prime Minister, no mind you, don't think the Prime Minister and his people them no pay attention to what's happening on social media. They do. You understand? Because that is one way that they know what is happening and what the people is thinking or how the people feel. So things like this will get in front of the Prime Minister. But if you as L.A. Lewis have a platform like he does, right? You have a platform where you speak out to hundreds of people sometimes when you go live, right? You need to do better than that, than come and talk about Andrew Holness got your mama. You understand what I say? If you have a point that you need to make your point be heard in an intelligent, respectable way that makes sense. Seeing? No man will say someone not gonna come at me and say unstoppable like garbage, chat and shut up, But listen, me know what me I say makes sense. And me know say the sensible people them were there. I go say yes, my brother, what you say makes sense. Seeing? Yeah. Now just as me say, remember, soon and very soon, there will be a law put in place where if you disrespect the Prime Minister a certain way on social media, the cops will be coming for you. And I'm not saying that it's right for them to do that, but me just know say soon and very soon it's going to happen. Because I've seen it happen in other countries before where people talk against the Prime Minister on social media and the police them go for them and charge them. You understand? So if it's happening elsewhere, it can happen in Jamaica. Your opinion matters. Talk to me.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.